Now, then, I am busy now. Always, Samavitama, always tell the truth. What? Mokakda, what is your name? How? Kohomada, how are you? Hello, English learners. Let's build sentences together. And I like tea and coffee. Namut, he is small but strong. So, Ebev, it was raining, so I stayed home. Nisa, I am tired because I worked hard. Or, do you want tea or milk? With, I am going with my friend. Also, she is a teacher and also a writer. Then, Impasu Evita, first eat, then go. If, Nam, if you come, I will go. Yet, it is late. Yet, he is working. Until, Thek, wait until I come.
While, Ataratura, don't talk while eating. Before,
Pera,
wash your hands before meals.
after, Pasu, we can play after school. Since,
I haven't seen him since Monday.